Welcome to Impact Creative Academy. My name is Samuel and I'm your coach. So today we are going to be designing a birthday flyer, actually a simple birthday flyer. Alright, so let's go into the business. Today, okay, this is the birthday flyer we're working on. Zoe is 10 today. Okay, so you look at it, it's very simple. Alright, so let's just start. So the first things first, let's make this a plain page. Okay, delete this. So come to our image size. We're going to increase our height to 1:4. Okay, that is it. So that's increased a bit. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring in our background for the design. So this is the background I'm making use of. Alright, so break it in. Let's crop it up a bit. So now we're going to increase the size. Alright, this is it. Alright, so let's look at it. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring in the girl's image to it. Bring in Zoe's image. Okay, so go to photo. Alright, so we'll crop it a bit. Then we'll crop the side. Alright, so let's increase the image. Wow, this guy is so beautiful. We'll notice it. Right. This is it. So the next thing we're doing is that we'll reduce the saturation of this picture. You can choose to leave it like that, but then I just want to just touch the saturation a bit, make it like 25, right? Okay, that's that. So you can leave it if you want to. Right, so the next we're going to write in our 10. So increase the size. So about let's increase it. Let's look at our image first. Increase the size. And let's change the font to our font we're making use of here is Love in Paris. Love in Paris, alright? Love. That. So let's change the color so we can see what we are doing. So the color we're making use of is, let's come here, E9739D. Color, right? So I want to reduce the spacing of this. The 1 and 0 is far from each other, so I'll come here, come to my spacing and reduce it. Alright, okay, this is okay, it's perfect. So let's take it up a bit. So the next one we're going to add in our stroke to this text, or let me stay touch this spacing. So we're going to be adding our stroke to this text. Alright, so go to our stroke icon, come to stroke, you turn it on, okay, then you let it be 4, then put it, we're going to make use of a gradient. Alright, for this. Now watch what I'm doing. The first gradient I'm making use of is A05 D47, okay, that is a light brown. Alright, then the second one is (763)017, so more like a dark brown. Alright, so Now we're going to be duplicating this into 4 more styles. Okay, so copy this. Meanwhile, let's come here. I want to copy this color code so I don't keep typing it. Okay, so I'll come here now. I'll paste it here. Okay. So it's automatically, that's what I'll do for this black brown. So I'll copy it now. I'll go to the color. I'll copy it. Okay. So when I do this one, I'll now paste it. Okay. Copy this now again. So I'll go to my paste. I'll make use of the other one. Okay, I'll copy this again. I'll go to my paste icon. Make use of the other one. Alright, so that is that. So I just did it in such a way that it will be like chocolate. Because of her color, right? This color was taken from her skin. Okay, that is that. Yeah, so it might not be looking visible, but there's a difference, right? There's a difference to it. So I'll copy this again. Now I'll move the color. To move the color, I will have to take this and I'll slide it in the transparency. So it automatically has moved the color, right? I don't just only want to move the color, I want to also move the stroke. Move the stroke. Then I will add the inner shadow. Now when I click on my inner shadow button, this dark icon across, but I want to make it white, so I click on white. Alright. So I'm going to increase the blur radius of my inner shadow. Meanwhile, let me first one. Okay. You have to reduce the transparency of the white. Okay, reduce it a bit. And that's so. Now we'll increase the blur radius to about, let's say 9. Alright, then put our offset X, increase it to about 5. The offset Y, increase it to about 5. Okay, so I want to give it that soft feel. Look at it now. Let's off it and let's on it. See, it looks like that has this soft silky feel. Okay, that is that for our 10. Right, then the next one we're gonna do, we're going to type now Zuri. Font to make use of his, we'll still make use of Love in Paris. Alright, Love in Paris. Okay, like that. So let's change the color to pink. Pink we made use of. Increase the size. Okay, right, that is that. Next one I'm going to do is that we're now going to add our today. Copy this again. It today. Right, so that is that. Let's place it here first. And the next one we're going to do, we're going to be adding our right top. Right up on top of this, so come here, text, edit. So you can get your write-up from AI, right? Yeah, so AI has made it easy. This write-up is just from AI. So I'm going to make use of a new font now for this write-up. I'm going to make use of MTN Brighter Sans. It's a common font, MTN Brighter Sans. So I'm going to change the color to black. The black I'm making use of is actually 444. 6 fours. So like that. So we reduce the size of this. Reduce the size. Use of the size. Okay. So we'll click on, we'll align it to the right. Yeah, that's that. So that's that. Okay, So the next one we're going to be adding our dates. That size is okay, so bring it here. So color it. So the color for this is pink. E9 B9 CA, alright. So it's a darker pink. So copy it again. So color this a normal pink, alright. So let's put it on top of. You see what I did? Let me zoom in so you can see what I did. I just wanted that one to act like a shadow, that dark pink one to act like a shadow for this one, alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in our text. So 01, right. So let's bring it down. So let's change the font to Love in Paris. Love in Paris, alright. That's that. So let's take it up. So copy the text is match, alright. So increase the font. We use the font MTA Brighter Sans for this one, and reduce the size to very small. I can enter into the shape, okay. Let's make it bold. Let's make it bold. That is that. So the next thing and the last thing, we're going to copy this. Okay, let's copy this girl. Color pink. Just want to give it a background feel. This is just the finishing touches. Okay, so take this picture to the back. Okay, right. I just want to give it that finishing touch. That's that. Okay, so now there's a thing I want to show us. I want to show us how to make use of alignment, alright. So to make use of alignment, we're going to watch what I'm doing now. Probably I want to make use of alignment by 5, alright. So let me see. Okay, this is by 4. Let me see how to make use of by 4. So when I set my ruler, I click on the last icon here, before the rotate on the last one, to show me the position. So the position I'll select 4%, okay. And I'll take this other one, or click on one of these ruler again and take it to the other side. Before you do this, make sure that your ruler is in this part, this thing, alright. So, and I'm making use of this one here, alright. So I'll take this now to the last side and make sure that is at 96, because 96 minus 4, and 96 plus 4 is what, 100. So I'll minus 4, alright. So it will be 4 here and 96 here. So the spaces now at the extremes is 4 4. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Now the spaces now, the extreme is 4 4. Meanwhile, let me move all these ones quickly. Okay, so that is that. So that is that. So now I want to align this now. So now that I've made it 96, and this is 4, and this is 96. So everything must be under this, it's in between these two spaces, in between that line. I get it. So I have to make sure that I adjust it to that. All right. So that is it about alignment. Okay. So let's see what all we can do about the adjustment. So we come here now. Adjust the scale. It's actually going to cross. Okay. So let me make it 93. This is what we would have done before the design, but I just want to show us, maybe our next story I'm going to show us properly, right? So let's make it 90, let's make it 2, then we'll take this now to 98. All right, okay, so that's that. So let's adjust this scale, let's adjust everything, select everything. Okay, that's that. So we have adjusted it out now, so everything now is between that space. So we'll select this one now. So this happy birthday, we adjust it to the last place. All right, that's that. So we select the 01 match square. I'll put it in the last place too. If you want to, if you don't want to, you can leave it at that place it was. So but that's that about the alignment. So when you want to make use of your ruler, you make sure that the lines are both sides are equal. So if this place is 5, this place will be what, 95. If this place is 10, this place will be what, 90. All right, you just make sure that both sides are equal. Then everything you're going to be making use of, every element you're going to be putting inside the design is going to enter into that place. That is one thing about alignment. Sometimes some people's design is just scattered. Alignment will help you to make your design to be orderly, right? So you want to make use of the ruler, you just click on it, then you select this position. Maybe I want to make use of, most times I make use of alignment 4, 5. I get him. That means everything will contain into that place, into the main space. I get him. So that the design will be straight and will be neat. Okay, so that's that. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to be adding our love icon. So we come to make use of this. All right, so I come here, I erase the color of this, go to my erase color too. Right, tolerance. So that is that. So I come to color, and I turn it on. Right, so when I turn it on, it automatically turns red. So I choose this pink. Okay, that's, I just reduce the size. Right, so that's that for that. Alright, so do well to subscribe to our channel, watch our other videos. Alright, see you in the next class.